IIoT adoption can drive powerful business outcomes across multiple industries by improving visibility and enhancing flexibility and control of day-to-day operations by providing real-time, actionable insights. A leading global power management technologies and services company was looking for a solution to remotely monitor various parameters for its customers' critical assets of heavy industrial plants spread across acres of land. The solution must alert the maintenance team about failures even before they occur to avoid unexpected downtime and, thereby, huge losses. Due to the plant's hazardous environment, the customer's existing platform required placing sensors that adhere to specific compliance. These sensors were then connected to an expensive third-party cloud to capture data. The existing platform had limited IIoT features. This resulted in the customer losing access to data, which can further be used to generate valuable insights for maintenance. In short, the lack of data on the customer's in-house premises led to a lack of valuable insights and scalability constraints. LTTS's multi-specialization expertise, a decade-long partnership with the customer, and deep understanding of the industrial vertical enabled us to create an IIoT platform that enhanced the existing data pipeline to handle large data volume and enabled data collection on the enterprise cloud data lake. Our innovative data processing engine contextualized the data, wherein the advanced configurable rule engine performed complex calculations to provide meaningful insights and sent alerts and notifications to the plant operators at different levels. The data can be filtered further and exposed to other applications through APIs. LTTS also enhanced the overall user experience by creating a visually appealing, user-friendly, and highly flexible web and mobile app to enable better visualization. The application enabled the end user to access different plant areas through site hierarchy, previous 90-day records, and actionable insights for different plant levels. With our IIoT solution in action, the customer achieved 99% plant availability and an average UI response time of approximately 2 seconds. LTTS IIoT platform is built to address the day-to-day industrial usage requirements and scalability concerns while generating valuable insights. Make LTTS your preferred partner to empower your business with engineering, cloud, analytics, and IIoT expertise that are critical for a future-ready business. Let's engineer the change together.